Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix call failed in iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to call someone on iPhone iOS 18 after update and you see call failed option in iPhone, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and you also have a physical SIM or eSIM working properly. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings here, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to general, and after that, you have to simply click on software update, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS version on your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back, and after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply turn all the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And after turning all the airplane mode and turning it off again, you have to open the phone app, and you have to make sure that it is working properly. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to click on apps, and you have to look for phone app in your settings. So you have to simply go to that, and here what you have to do, you have to simply check all the settings whether they are showing proper settings, and if it is having any problem, then you can simply report that problem to Apple Support, and after that you can simply get a reply from the Apple Support whether what is the problem with that in your Apple Sports settings. So here you have to simply make sure that you have reported that problem to Apple Support, and after that they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.